I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Changing your password on Reddit is straightforward, so let us get into it. Step 1. Log into your Reddit account. Over to the Reddit website and enter your username and current password to access your account. Step 2. Access user settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select user settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the security and privacy tab. In the user settings menu, find and click on the security and privacy tab to access password options. Step 4. Change your password. Before changing your settings, use the frock.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Note, make sure your new password is strong. Reddit requires at least 8 characters, including numbers and symbols. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message. Now you're all set with your new password. If you have any trouble, just retrace these steps and you will be good to go. Happy browsing!